Hannah was very unwell for a long time. Took her down to Morrison Hospital where they took a blood test. The behaviour around us changed. So a nurse held my hand and took me into a room with the doctor. Then he said, your daughter's very unwell and she's got leukemia. I remember walking back to the room and Hannah was so small in the bed. Adam came in, he gave Hannah a big hug, and I realised nobody's actually told him what's wrong with her. So I had to break the news to Adam that Hannah had leukemia.
Getting told that your daughter has cancer is something you'll never forget. Your whole world falls apart. Hannah had cannulas in both hands because she had to have chemo going in, she had transfusions going in. You hear about blood products, and I didn't know about platelets. I saw firsthand what it does, going from white to happy and bouncing around and being a cheeky self.
We quickly realised it's not just Hannah. We meet lots of other families and we've seen the heartbreak and the panic when your child hasn't got a match when they need it. It's really important for more people to register and consider donating, because without them we wouldn't have Hannah.
I would definitely recommend becoming a donor. It's not that hard, you just have to sit there. It's something that you can do and it will make a difference. We couldn't imagine Hannah not being here, and had it not been for someone donating platelets, there's a good chance she wouldn't be here. That's the reason I give platelets, is to make the difference to someone else's family.
To all the donors that helped me while I was unwell, I'd like to say thank you very much.